Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to add geological boundaries. You can see that we've got some geological boundaries already on here, but we're going to trace on some more of them. Okay, so I need to switch on the field maps, and I'm going to start off by adding this one between the Boussière and the Lake Clapier. This boundary on here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the data view, and I'm going to zoom in here somewhere. Okay, and this boundary is inferred along the majority of its length, so I need to draw an inferred boundary. So see, I've got two different types of boundary in here. So I can right click over here, and I can do edit features. Okay. So and then I need to create features in here, and I'm going to do an inferred boundary. Okay. So I can start adding straight line segments along here. I can add straight line segments, or I can add curve segments. So I can add curve segments by clicking on here, and then say I click on here, and then I can make the curve part how I want it to be. You can see it's not as simple to get the curve the exact curvature you want with these curved segments. So it's in some ways it's easier just to click straight line segments. Okay, just make them where it is curved. Just try and make them closer together. Okay, so around here I can make them closer together. Okay, so as I go around these folds, I just realised I haven't put these fold axes on here, so I can add those as well. I'll do that when I finish this. And then it's useful when you finish it. It's useful to have snapping on. So if I go to Windows in Customize, and go to Toolbars, and then if I click on, if I go to the Snapping toolbar, and then if I click Use Snapping, okay, and you'll see that it'll then snap to the edge of that thrusts there, which is what I want it to do. Okay. You don't want snapping on all the time, but you do need it on some points during the thing. Okay. So remember, I need to save my edits. Okay. Now I need to put on these sim forms on here. So I need to have an inferred sim form in here. Okay, there's another inferred sim form in here. And another one in here. We know these antiforms and synforms don't appear for this boundary because we can look across at that and see that they're not there. Then we need an inferred antiform in here. And another one. Yeah. Okay. So we can have turn off the field maps, and we can look and we can see that this boundary is running through here. Okay. We can do. We can add on some other inferred boundaries. So, for instance, this boundary on here, we can continue this boundary. Where it goes to here, and then I can put a little bit of a dash along the road. Inferred boundary along here. This is the boundary between the top of the Condamine and the Tarton. Click my way along it. Okay. We can do this boundary as well. This is between the Condamine and the Sorcery formation. So that one, and then we can put this boundary on as well. It's another inferred boundary. Let's just save my edits. Okay. And we can add a little bit of this boundary on as well. And you can see that we're building up the boundaries as we go along. Okay. So let's just zoom out to see what it's looking like. Yeah. Centralise the map a bit. You can see we're building up a picture of how these units onto the fair copy map. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the polygons where the colour is. So, like over here, the polygons of the colour for the different formations. just remember you need to stop editing and save all your data before you finish.